Good morning, UPB, July 30th, 2014. It is a Wednesday, optionmillionaires.com. How's everyone doing this morning? We have the GDP coming out stronger than expected. That helped to ramp futures higher here. We're up almost 0.5% on S&P 500 futures. The GDP number is helping, as well as Twitter. Twitter I talked about on Monday in my market video. Very bullish perspective on the stock, as well as a blog post I did at optionmillionaires.com. The $41 calls at the time were about $1. That was on Monday. They're going to open probably about, $6.50, maybe $7. And that'll be a nice gain there. JB at optionmillionaires.com yesterday got into the 43.50s at 40 cents, something like that. Those are going to be a nice 1,000% gain. So Twitter, yeah, very bullish. And the reason being, I was talking about it, and you can look at my post at optionmillionaires.com. The fact we had that lockup period expire and the big sell-off down to under $30. But Facebook started to rally. Twitter was kind of just lagging behind. It's now starting to catch up. So Twitter came out, beat last night, better than expected numbers from the company, and the stock spiked to the upside. Pretty impressive move. Up over 30%. It's pulling back a little bit here, though, pre-market. But we'll see if this is consolidation and we get back up. Again, I think this is a $100 stop, but hey, what do I know? Let's move on to some individual names. Now, you're talking about Twitter reported earnings. I've been talking about Whole Foods. Well, first, let's look at the S&P 500. Again, contained in this channel, I just wanted to bring this up, is a 30-day chart. And you can see this is all consolidation. Even though we had that late-day sell-off yesterday, we're still contained in this channel, and I think we're going to move out to new record levels in the short term. We go to Whole Foods reports earnings tonight. You can see it's over now. Former resistance, now acting as support here at the 37.50 level. I'm looking for the stock to break over $40. This is going to be a nice earnings trade. I wrote about this a couple days ago at the blog at optionmillionaires.com. I think the gap down that we've had, what was that, about 5 months ago? And the one we also had in May is going to get filled. It's going to be up almost a $50 stock in the next couple months. Of course, I said Twitter was going to be a $43 stock. It went up to $50. So yeah, it would be nice to surprise even further to the upside. But again, all the analysts are very bullish. They can think the stock is going to continue to the downside. If you look from a longer term perspective, the support line here is very important. If we break through this, we're going to continue down into the 20s. But I do think we found a bottom here, and that we're going to head back up to almost $50 a share on Whole Foods. We have Yelp reporting earnings after the bell tonight as well, holding this support level at 65, and we look for a move back up to about $80 there on Yelp. That's after the bell today. Tomorrow we have Tesla. Tesla to me looks like we're ready to break out to new record levels within the next couple weeks, and I think the earnings report tomorrow after the bell is going to help make that move happen. We have ExxonMobil reporting earnings. The trend remains firmly to the upside here, and I wouldn't be surprised to see it break out over the $105 level on earnings. We have LinkedIn reporting earnings after the bell tomorrow. It's going to get a sympathy rally here today on the heels of Twitter's report. We're going to probably get over the $200 level. For LinkedIn, we have MasterCard reporting earnings after the bell tomorrow. We have this loan support line at about the $64 level. We've been consolidating here, and I would expect this to move back over $80. DDD was up 5% yesterday. I called this stock right at its lows here. Support, and look at it, rocketed up to almost $70, and I think we're going to be up there again before the summer is out. All right, 2BB here, optionmillionaires.com. So the market's consolidating for a move to new record levels. We have bonds selling off a little bit. We have some earnings reports from Facebook and Twitter that are helping to support some of the movement that we've seen over the last couple of years, and some of these names that everyone thinks is a bubble. And sure, maybe we are in a bubble, and maybe we'll be like Mark Faber, and one of these years we're going to crash big. And sure, if you just keep spouting the same crap over and over again, eventually you're going to be right. Yeah, but you'll be broke a lot sooner than you're going to be right. All right, UPB here, optionmillionaires.com. I'll see you in the chat room. Well, Whole Foods, I see WF, and I'm thinking Wells Fargo. Whole Foods reporting earnings tonight, as well as Yelp. Tomorrow we have Tesla, ExxonMobil, LinkedIn, MasterCard, DDD, and let's watch Twitter. I think it's going to head back over $50 today, and so that might be an intraday trade if you didn't get a chance to get in on the calls before earnings, if you didn't read the blog at optionmillionaires.com on Monday or see some of the tweets yesterday. All right, everyone have a great day. Goodbye.